Let's start. The eye is one of the most sensory organs that we humans endowed with it. It helps us to visualizing objects. Now we will learn about eye and its definition. Sclera. It helps us to visualizing objects like, and it is a tough white layer, a protective layer that is known as sclera. Cornea. It is a ring-like muscular part of the eye. The work of cornea is that whenever light enters to the eye and we see more things in light is known as the work of cornea. Iris. It is a dark brown muscular substance that endowed with in our eye. Its color is grey, black and more etc. Pupil. It is a transparent part behind the iris. Lens. You can find lens so transparent between the pupil is known as lens. Retina. It is a nerve that the eye is implanted with the retina. Optic nerves. Optic nerves contains two types of nerves, cones and rods. Cones is the more sensitive to dim light. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mahir to more information.
Hello teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Mahir and I am from grade 5C. Today my topic is external fibrous cord. The interior transparent of 1/6 part of the eye is called cornea. This is the rays of light into the eye. The external fibrous cord is formed from sclera and cornea. Now I would like to look for more information.
Good morning teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Lakshmi Reddy. I am from standard 5th. Today my topic is internal nervous cord. This cord is formed by the ears, iliary body and this cord is formed by muscular and pigmented underlying in the skeleton. Now I would like to call Fatima for more information.
Internal nervous cord. Internal nervous cord is formed of retina. The retina receives outside images, conducted images of the object seen. These objects are seen by conducted rays through a nerve ending optic nerve called posterior end of the eyeball. Now I would like to call Laksh for care of eyes.
Care of eyes. Have a regular checkup with the specialist to advise the specialist the proper power with and eye test. Do not rub your eyes with hand or it is irritation or dust particles enter your eyes and clean with clean water. Third, regularly wash your eyes with clean water. Fourth, do not read the book from too far or too close or it is called stress. Fifth, have a proper diet of eyes rich in vitamin, example broccoli, carrot, radish, etc. Sixth, have a explosion, example looking at the sun or under explosion, example the dark of light with the eye humidity. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
She's Ilmi and she's Janvi. So first I will give some points about ears. We have two ears, one on either side of the head and one on another. We are able to hear blended sounds with the help of our ears only. These are the sense organs of hearing.
teachers, my name is Vanshika. Today I will tell you how ears are working. It collects sound waves and channelizes them into the ear canal, actually an auditory metal lines the sound waves and filters. Thank you and have a wonderful day. For now, more information I would like to call in Neha.
Good morning, teacher. I am Anna parent over here. My name is Himen. I am from 5th C. Today I will tell you the advantage of all human ear and animals' ear. Morning is the only what is going on everywhere in our environment. We don't have to be looking at the website is snapping to know there is something behind all internet. This ability equals tremendous advantage for all animals. Now I would like to call Janvi for care of ears.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Janvi Prajapati. I am from grade 5th C. Today my topic is care of ears. Number 1. You do not object point in your ears. Number 2. You every day clean your ears with ear lead. Number 2. You do not very sound voice. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you will like our project.
5th C. Today my topic is teeth. First I introduce my team members. He is Zishan, he is Sufyan, he is Vyom and he is Rohit. Let's start. I will explain you what is teeth. Teeth play an important role in eating, chewing and nutrition. They are different shapes and sizes to bite, tear, crush or grind food before it is swallowed. And they are an important part of a person's health. In this respect, teeth can be associated with a person's confidence and social interaction. Now I would like to call Zishan for more information.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ishan and I am from grade 5th C. Today's my topic is teeth. Baby teeth. Baby teeth play an important role of holding space for energy. For this reason, it is important to keep them healthy and prevent the early loss of these teeth due to disease. Your teeth are made up of the following parts: ball, dentine, ball, root, and number. Thank you and have a nice day. I would like to call Sufyan for work of teeth.
Good morning, my respected teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Polan Sukhin and I am from grade 5th C. Today my topic is work of teeth. Teeth are used to eat by breaking a smaller piece so that it can be swallowed by over time and teeth. Example: molars, premolars, canines. Thank you and have a nice day. I would like to call Vyom for care of teeth.
Good morning, teachers and all dear friends. My name is Vyom Patel and I am from grade 5th C. And today my topic is care of teeth. We have to brush and twice a day. We have to brush twice a day. Some teeth get some germs called the cavities. We have to brush upwards, downwards, sideways, and the downwards. We have to brush to each tooth. Thank you and have a nice day. I would like to say Rohit for advantages of teeth. Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rohit Mulay and I am from standard grade 5th C. Today my topic is advantages of teeth. Teeth, they play important role in our life. They help us to chew and digest food. They help us to talk and speak clearly, and they also give face and shape by it. Thank you and have a nice day.
oxygen. Fourth, it helps to improve sleep quality. Fifth, it promotes calmness and reduces stress. Now I would like to call Riddhi for care of nose.
Good morning, teachers and today my topic is kind of nose. Kind you nose clean, do not you finger to clean the nose. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I hope you like our science fair project.
One of our body organ that is our mouth. First, I introduce my team member. He is Adam, he is Harris, she is Pati, or he is Nitesh. Let's start. The mouth is an oval shaped circle. The two main functions of mouth are eating and speaking. Parts of the mouth include the lips, mouth cavity, teeth, hard and soft late tongue, and silvery glands. The mouth is also known as the oral cavity or the buccal cavity. Humans have four types of permanent teeth, each with a specific function. Now I would like to call Adam for types of teeth.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Arman. I am from class 50. Today my topic is types of mouth. Ingredients and cutting teeth. Canines are originally known as called as spits and tearing teeth. Premolars are also known as spits and grinding teeth. Molars, the last to expect wisdom teeth, also called the third molar. Now I would like to call a handle for cough mouth. Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nandil Picharia and I am from grade 6. Today my topic is speech. What can working mouth? Two main eating and speaking devices by food intestines and breaking small pieces with help of teeth and mixed saliva. Number 2. What can structure of mouth? What can structure of mouth? The structure of mouth contains teeth, tongue, cheek, and saliva. So I would like to call Parthy for advantage mouth.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Parthy and I am from standard grade 5C. Today my topic is advantages of mouth. Eating and drinking help us to chew and bite the food. We can digest the food. We can drink through it. Speaking helps us to talk and speak clearly. Session helps us to chew, bite and swallow tasting. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I would like to call Nitesh for care of mouth. Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nitesh and I am from grade 5C. Today my topic is care of mouth. Care of mouth internally. Brush your teeth twice a day with toothpaste. Visit the dental regularly and save to and tell the dental he will give some medicines. Eat balanced diet. Quit smoking.